This body cream looks really good, and trust me, it feels really good on the skin as well. Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple carrot body cream that your skin will absolutely love. Of course, to make our carrot body cream, we're going to be needing fresh organic carrots. Carrot is really rich in beta carotene, it's rich in vitamin C, it has brightening and healing benefits for the skin. So we're going to be using this to make the cream. We are going to begin by grating the carrots. We're going to grate the carrots into smaller chunks. This will make it easier for us to infuse it and get all the richness out of it. If you're loving this video already and you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more. After grating or slicing your carrots, now it's time to spread it on a flat surface. You're going to need to spread it so that it will be easier and faster to dry it. Now I'm going to take it under the sun and sun dry it until all the carrots are completely dried. Don't use an oven to dry your carrots. Using an oven will give your carrot this brown looking color, and we don't want that. We want our carrot to maintain its orange beautiful color. And here it is after some hours. This is what the carrot now looks like. It is completely dried, and now we can go ahead and make our cream. The time it will take your carrots to be completely dried depends on the weather. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more. Now to infuse our carrots, we need a carrier oil. I am using olive oil. You can use any other carrier oil like coconut oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil. Any carrier oil is fine, but I am using olive oil. Next, I'm going to add the olive oil or whatever carrier oil you are using into the dried carrots. We're going to be trying to get all the juices from the carrots into the oil. Now I'm going to make sure that the carrot sits well inside the oil. And now this is what it looks like. Now we're going to use the double boiling method to infuse the carrots into the oil. I have a pot of boiling water here, and I'll just drop the bowl into the pot of boiling water. As the water boils, the heat from the boiling water is going to infuse our oils, and we'll get all the nutrients from the carrots into the oil. Also be sure to stir continuously at this point to speed up the process. After stirring for some minutes, you would notice that as time goes, your oil will begin to have this very deep yellow color or deep orange color depending on what carrier oil you used. Once your oil starts having that yellow or orange look, then you know that your oil is ready. Now we are going to take our infusion off the heat. After taking it off the heat, I left it to cool for a while, and once it cools, we are going to strain it so that we can separate the oil from the chaff. If you strain it while it's still hot, it might damage your strainer or sieve. Now I'm going to use my sieve to gently strain out the oil. You can also use a cheesecloth if that's what you have. So I'll gently do that so I can get all my oil out and leave the chaff. Now here is the strained oil. This is our carrot infused oil which we'll be using to make the cream. As you can see, it has this beautiful orange color which is going to help give our cream that beautiful color. Now moving on to the cream proper, we are going to be using aloe vera gel as the base for this cream. Aloe vera gel is very moisturizing. Aloe vera gel will help to moisturize the skin, to keep the skin soft and supple. The full list of the ingredients and their accurate measurements will be somewhere at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Next, I'm going to be adding in vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is an emulsant. It helps to draw and lock moisture into the skin. So we're going to be adding the vegetable glycerin into the aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to give this a very good mix so that the aloe vera gel and the vegetable glycerin are well combined before we add our other ingredients into this. And here is the carrot infused oil we made earlier. It's time to start adding it into our cream. I'm going to start by adding just a little first into the aloe vera gel and vegetable glycerin mixture, and then we're going to give it a good mix until everything is well combined. When you first begin mixing, it's not going to look creamy immediately, but as you mix gradually, it's going to have a very creamy and beautiful consistency. So I'm going to give this a very good mix. And as you mix, everything will begin to come together very beautifully. And as you can see, the color is already looking beautiful already as well. As you can see, our cream is coming into shape really well. And now it's time to add the rest of the oil. I'm going to add it into the cream, and after adding it, we're going to mix it and combine very well as well. Before we add our last set of ingredients, I would like to tell you that this cream is really rich. It will help in brightening dull skin. It will help with hyperpigmentation. It will help with evening the skin tone. Now that we've added in all our oil, now it's time to add our last set of ingredients into it. First, I'm adding in my vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant. It will help with keeping our cream from oxidating. And lastly, I'll also be adding in my lavender essential oil, which will give our cream added benefits, and it will also make our cream smell nice. I'm going to give this a very good mix to make sure that everything is well combined. I'll not be adding any preservative into this since I did not add any form of water into the cream. If you're making a very large quantity, or if you're making to sell, make sure you add a preservative into it. It is not going to be optional in that case. Now that our cream is well mixed and well combined, it is time to pack it in our jar and save it for use. You can also use a pump bottle. That works fine as well with this consistency. And now here's how the cream feels on the skin. As you can see, it absorbs really well and it looks beautiful. And here is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot and follow this recipe when you want to make yours. If you watched up till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more amazing content like this, ask your questions in the comment section, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye, and see you in my next video.